Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Ink Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss uh, the correct number of significant figures in addition and subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay, these are the few examples of that: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So for addition and subtraction, the measurement with the least decimal places can decide the answer. Okay, if any measurement that is having least uh, decimal places, that decimal places can decide the answer. Okay, in division and multiplication, the measurement with the least significant figures, not decimal places, least significant figures can decide the answer. Okay, so now going to the topic here. Addition and subtraction. Okay, the least decimal places can decide the answer. Okay, here least decimal places, one decimal place, here two decimal places, here two decimal places. The answer should be in one decimal places. Okay, least decimal place can decide the answer. Okay, so if you do this 24, sorry, 24.6 and 18.35. Okay, if you add both, you will get 42.95. Okay. Again, if you subtract 2.98 within this, finally you will get 39.97. Okay. So in this, the least decimal place can decide the answer. Okay, so answer should be in one decimal place. So to remove the 7, okay, if you remove the 7, this 7 is greater than 5, we have to round the 9. So round the 9 by addition of 1. So you finally you will get 40. Okay, 40, but you have to show in one decimal place, 40.0. So answer should be in least decimal places. So 40.0. You never show like this 40 or something. So coming to the next one, 8 8.3 8.31 45 into 1.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is multiplication. In multiplication, least significant figure can decide the answer. Here 40.0. Okay, here least significant figures, here two significant figure, here 1 2 3 4 5 significant figures. Least significant figures are 2, so answer should be in 2 significant figure. Okay, so if you multiply this, you will get 0.01088 something like this. Okay, but you have to show in two significant only. Why? Because it is a in multiplication, the measurement with the least significant figure can decide the answer. Okay, up to two significant figure is up to is up here. Okay, had to remove entire this one. So before removing this 8 is greater than 5. so the preceding number is increased by plus 1. Okay, so 0.011. Okay, if we add 1, 0.011. Okay, this is the right answer, and this is two significant figure. Okay, if you do this, 0.406 into 0.0023. Okay, here this is also a multiplication. Here the least significant figure can decide the answer. Okay, here two significant figures, here three significant figures, so answer should be in two significant figures. Okay, here this one. Okay, so if you multiply both, you will get 0.0009338. Okay, you have to show up to two significant figures. Okay, 1 2 up here, 2 up to is two significant figures, so we have to remove this. 3 is less than 5, so the preceding number as write as it is, so you can write 0.0093. so answer is 0.09 0.00093. This is two significant figure. If you come this in this problem, here four significant figures, here four significant figures, here two significant figures. Okay, this is also a multiplication, so the measurement with the least significant figure can decide the answer. Okay, least significant is 2, so answer should be in two significant figures. If you multiply all these measurements, you will get 0.21218857 something. Okay, you have to show in two significant figures only, so that's why you have to round a 8. Okay, here 8 is greater than 5, so the preceding number is increased with 1. Okay, if you add 1, you will get 0.22. so this is in the form of two significant figures. Okay, coming to the next one, this is a somewhat tricky one, so I will show. Okay. In this type, first of all you have to identify the large quantity and write the other quantities with the same power of 10 as appear in the large quantity. So here large quantity is this one. First of all, this is a addition subtraction. The significant figures is entire significant figure depend only on decimal places only. Okay, so in this powers, first of all you have to identify the large quantity and then other quantities with the same power of 10. Okay, as appear in the large quantity. Okay, you have to convert uh, this into this power. Okay, this into this power. Okay, first of all, if you convert this 0.0206 into 10 to the power of 4, you can write it as 10 to the power of 4. So next one, write it as it is 3.2 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, next one minus, you can write as 0.126 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 4. Okay, here 10 to the power of 4 is common, so 0.0206 plus 1.32 minus 0.126 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so if you add all, here 4 here 3 significant figures. Okay, sorry, 4 decimal places, here 2 decimal places, here 3 decimal places. Okay, so answer should be in 2 decimal places. Why? Because in addition, subtraction, least decimal places can decide the answer. Okay, so answer should be in 2 decimal places. If you add all these, you will get 1.2146 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, you have to show in 2 decimal places only. So here up to 2 decimal is here. So 4 is greater than, 4 is less than 5. So you remove 4 6 and preceding number write as it is. Okay, 1.21 into 10 to the power of 4. This is the correct significant figure of this measurement. Okay, coming to the next one. So here also same, write the large quantity is this one. Okay, 1.646 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, minus 0.218 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, next you can multiply, uh, sorry, this is multiplication, so you will get 7.0312 into 10 to the power of 2. Okay, this is a multiplication. So then again write this also into 10 to the power of 3. 1.646 into 10 to the power of 3, 0.218 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 0.70312 into 10 to the power of 3. Again same like above problem, 1.646 minus 0.218 plus 0.70312 into 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 is taken as common. So if you add all these, you will get 2.13112 into 10 to the power of 3. So here this is addition subtraction, so we have to consider only decimal places. Here 3 decimal, here 3 decimal, here uh, 1 2 3 4 5 decimals, so we have to consider least decimals. Okay, so the answer should be in 3 decimals, 1.31 into 10 to the power of 3. So this is your final answer. So thank you for watching.